As I mentioned earlier in this course, one of the main benefits and advantages you have on your side is having a mobile app already in the App Store. Because what you want to do is you want to take exactly what they're doing and you want to hack it. And now hacking can have a negative feel to it, saying, oh, why am I stealing something? Am I copywriting? Am I infringing on a copyright? Am I stealing an idea? No, you're not. What you're doing is you're being smart about it, and you're researching an app that's already existing, going to the App Store. You're looking at reviews. You're looking at what type of updates they've pushed, how frequent they're pushing the updates, what are their comment sections saying, what does their App Store description say, what are the images they're using, what are the color schemes they're using, what is the user journey like. You want to download the app if it's similar to yours, and you want to just know it inside and out, because you as a user can go through and say, hey, I really like this function, because in the back of your mind, you're going to know exactly what you want your app to do. And you can say, I like this function. This is a little cumbersome. This is something I really don't need. This could be simplified. I really like the way they did this. I like the flow of it. I like the color scheme. I like the usability of it. I like the user journey. So you want to take notes of all this. So if there's an app in the App Store, you want to read all about it within the App Store. All the competition of other apps that are there, you want to just take as many notes as possible, study them, find out what makes them great, what makes them not so great, and you want to compile a list of pros and cons of these mobile apps. And there may be 5, there may be 20, there may be only 1. But you want to use it as a point of reference. Now, once you've done that, then you want to go ahead and download all these apps. You want to study them. You want to make notes. You want to make sure that your version of this idea or the concept that you're going to be creating is something that's well thought out, and you've gotten down to the minimum viable product, the core function of the app. Because one thing you're going to notice is these apps have had a lot of time in the App Store, and they've probably done a lot of updates and they've introduced new features, and you want to make sure what you're doing is you're making it simple and focusing on your core idea, because you have a great idea, you have a great concept, you have something that people want, and you have to believe that even if the idea is already in the App Store, because you're making it bigger and better for them. You're making it easier for them. So make sure you spend the time to thoroughly review the App Store. You download the mobile apps, and you hack them out. You hack everything they're doing, and you make sure you spend the time to do that. You review your notes, cross-reference what one app does better than the other one. Why does it do it better? How do they compete? How do they not compete? Where does your app fit within those? Take the time to really do this in this self-discovery, because it's going to help you shape your idea. It's going to help you create a better application. It's going to help you create a stronger prototype to pitch your investors, and it's going to create an overall better user experience for your end user once your app is in the App Store.